Hey everyone. So in today's episode, we want to talk about member numbers and envelope numbers. Member numbers and envelope numbers. So you may be in a church where each member gets a number and each member gets an envelope number. This is what you use for your giving, your tracking. The person could just easily write their number on their envelope instead of their names and put the amount in it, and you can easily match that number with the records that you have on file. So Poimnion makes this very, very, very easy for you. So when you import your membership into Poimnion, if you have the member number preset, that will already come in automatically. All those numbers, if the numbers were in your CSV file or in your Excel file, those numbers will come into Poimnion, okay? But if you don't have that set up and you need to set that up after the fact, Poimnion makes that very, very easy. So now we are on a member profile screen. So remember, to get the member profile, you go people and groups and you click directory, and here we have the name. And then you just click a name and that takes you to the member profile page or pop-up, right? But look here, right under Nicole Adams' name, you see member number. The member number is also the envelope number. And this number is easily editable. All you have to do is to click edit. And then when you click edit, here right under membership status on the page, you have the member number / envelope number. Okay. So for instance, if you're whatever the number is, you could put it in, right? So if the number was 10065, I update that. And notice what happens here for Nicole Adams. Automatically the member number becomes 10065. So this is a very easy way to track giving and to track your membership. You can either import the numbers or you could set it up. So I want to invite you to set this up, or if you don't use it, you could just leave it as is for your system. But if it's something that you use and you want to know how to edit member numbers / envelope numbers, that is how you do it. So this one is a very short, very quick tutorial, but it is something that is very helpful for those churches that use member / envelope numbers. All right, may the Lord bless you and catch you on the next one.